Hey everyone! Welcome back to Fix Me Master. So you've written your first Python script in VS Code, but when you hit run, nothing happens, or worse, errors pop up. Don't worry. In this video, I'll show you how to properly run Python code in Visual Studio Code without errors, even if you're a beginner. Let's fix it together. Step 1. Install Python properly. Before anything else, make sure Python is installed on your PC. Head over to download the latest version, run the installer, and don't forget to check the box that says Add Python to Path. Then click Install Now. Once installed, confirm it works by opening Command or Terminal and typing bash python-version. You should see a version number like Python 3.11.x. Step 2. Install VS Code Python extension. Launch Visual Studio Code. Now press Ctrl-Shift-X. That opens the extensions marketplace. Search for Python by Microsoft and install it. This extension gives you IntelliSense, linting, debugging tools, and more. Step 3. Select the correct interpreter. After installing the extension, look at the bottom left or bottom bar in VS Code. Click where it says Python 3.x.x. If it's missing or incorrect, press Ctrl-Shift-P, type Python, select interpreter. Choose the one that points to your installed version of Python, usually from your system's path. Step 4. Open or create a Python file. Now open your .py file or create a new one with File, New File. Save as myscript.py. Write a simple script like Python print, hello from Fix Me Master. Step 5. Run the script properly. There are 3 easy ways to run the script. Option 1. Right-click the editor, choose Run Python File in Terminal. Option 2. Click the play icon at the top right corner. Option 3. Use the shortcut Ctrl F5 to run without debugging, F5 to run with debugging enabled. The terminal below should show your output. Bonus fixes for errors. If VS Code says Python not found, go back and check your interpreter and path. And that's it. Now you can write and run Python scripts in VS Code without any errors. If this video helped, smash that like button, subscribe to Fix Me Master, and drop your Python questions in the comments. Catch you in the next tutorial.